Let's talk about groups, which are number of people or things, basically. Let's start from 1. There's no magic to it. 1 would be just single. Not much to it. 2, though, would be either a pair or double, or kind of like what you're seeing over there, twin. That's my twin brother Larry, by the way, over there. How you doing? Right. Now, if it's 3, would be triple. Or if you have two identical brothers, then it will be Larry and Terry. They're both here. Well, there you go. That's, you know, I'm actually a part of the triplets, believe it or not. Now, if you have 4, that's called quadruplets. That's what we are. Or if you have 5, that will be a quintuplet. My whole family is here. Now, get out of my set now. There you go. So let's recap. Single, double, triple, quadruple, quintuple. There you go. Very simple to remember, right? Took me a while. Tell you what, I can go on forever because numbers go on and on and on. But tell you what, you don't really need to know anything beyond 5. Most North Americans don't even know that. There you go. Well, here are a couple of other number groups that don't follow the same pattern. Sometimes you would hear people say 6-pack. Now, if you hear people say 6-pack, most of the times they're referring to a really strong built man or woman. Their stomach is really, really ripped and they have 6 packs of muscle there. Or sometimes when you say 6-pack, see I don't have a 6-pack right here, but I do have a 6-pack in my fridge. That's a 6-pack of beer. That's what it is. Things like dozen. Dozen, obviously, you probably already know this. 12. 1, 2, 12. There's also a term called baker's dozen. A baker's dozen would be 13, and this is where it came from. Back in the 13th century, a lot of the bakers were caught cheating their customers, not giving enough food for the money. So the king at the time, Henry III, came up with a rule. If you were to cheat your customers, we will cut off your hand with a sword like this. That's why a lot of the... Let me demonstrate this for you. Yeah, okay, that hand went away pretty quick. That's why they would give 13 instead of 12 if the customer asked for a dozen. I'll catch you next time.